Did you know that the world's largest beehive, located in India, is home to over 60 million bees and is over 7 feet long? This incredible natural wonder is a testament to the power and complexity of the insect world. The hive's sheer size and the vast number of bees living within it is truly astounding. It serves as a reminder of the importance of bees to our ecosystem and the crucial role they play in pollination and maintaining biodiversity. This massive beehive is not only a marvel of nature, but also a symbol of the remarkable capabilities of these tiny creatures.